Sufyan. Your name is a little
Yes,
unique.
ma'am. Yes, everyone find it very difficult to pronounce it.
Yeah, well, not very difficult, but different. Sufyan.
Yeah, not more. Many people have this name.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Yeah, it means a bright child.
Oh, completely. I can see that. So, what are you pursuing? And give your introduction to all the people who are watching this.
Yeah. So first of all, my name is Supyan Tamboli, and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. And just recently, I have done with my final semester of computer science, that is BSc. And right now, I am pursuing MCA. I have just took admission for the MCA program through College Vidya. And I've also got a placement from TCS. So that is the only reason I am pursuing MCA online and not offline. So this was a short introduction about myself.
That's great. You already have a placement offer with you, and you're also doing an online MCA program. What do you think about College Vidya? Any feedback? Anything that you like about the website?
Honestly, I didn't heard about College Vidya earlier. I heard about some of the universities, not all, but some of the universities, and I decided, okay, I'll go into this university. But my family told me, my mother especially, she told me that, okay, don't pace up,
Yeah.
just think about it. So just after that, I got to know about College Vidya, and then I searched like, okay, this is also a good university. This is also a good university. This also has good studies and all those things. But one thing I like about College Vidya is that the comparison between universities, that really helped me in choosing a proper university, because earlier, when I was searching by my own, then at that time I got to know just 2 to 3 points, or maximum 4 to 5 points about each and every university.
Yeah.
And that was also not so much important. But when I connected with College Vidya, also the advisors, they are really very helpful. Anytime I message them, I text them, I call them, they respond very quickly. And if I talk about the UI of the website, it's on different level. Even a beginner can, that can access that website very easily. So it was very helpful.
Okay. I think I am really overwhelmed after hearing everything. I'm sure the founders, when they'll watch this, they will also feel very proud of what they have created and how many students that they are impacting every day.
Absolutely.
If I could say, describe College Vidya in one word, what one word can you give to College Vidya? Like, take some time.
Exceptional. Exceptional.
Except
Because, of course, yeah, there is nothing like College Vidya, as much as I have researched about. And most importantly, it's free of cost. That thing, I liked it very much.
yeah, it is student first, and there is no charge, no fees for anything.
Yes, exactly. Because in our country, most of the people, they step back just because of their financial problems, and also it really helped me, and also one or two of my friends, because I have also referred them. You can also have a go. Just look for online MCA program, because they are also looking for it as well.
So I have one question in my mind. Is there any difference in the mindset of people that agar main online se karunga, then I will not get this, I will not get that? Has that myth, gone away, or is it still there?
It's still there, I would say. What I think is, learning is important. Now, it's not like you go in college, because after learning for 3 years in a bachelor's degree, I got to know about what students do actually in college.
Yeah.
So one thing I got to know, like, it doesn't matter whether it's online or offline, but what thing matters is what you are doing in that program. Whether you are utilizing that program or not, or you are just, passing your exams by using AI tools or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's all about, your own mindset. But yeah, still there is a little chance of, like, people don't trust online programs
Yeah.
very easily.
Yeah. I think awareness is something that is lacking. We tried educating people about online programs and how they can, even if they have enrolled into a regular degree program, they can do dual degree, one from online and one from
Exactly.
Yeah. So I think a lot of people don't know about it. I think
Yeah, they really don't. And, people don't utilize their time properly just because of this thing.
आप कहाँ से कर रहे हैं? मैंने ये पूछा ही नहीं आपसे.
हाँ, मैं मैम अमृता यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रहा हूँ, कोयम्बटूर, तमिलनाडु. तो जितना मैंने मतलब कॉलेज विद्या ने भी मुझको हेल्प किया समझने में कि हाँ ये यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छी है, ऑल दोज रिव्यूज गिवन बाय पीपल एंड
अच्छा, और वो जो पैरामीटर्स होते हैं उसमें आपने जाकर के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली आपके लिए क्या था? आप क्या चेक करते हो? स्टूडेंट रेटिंग करते हो चेक, कि प्लेसमेंट्स पार्टनर चेक करते हो? क्या चेक करते हो आप? कंपेयर करते हो
अभी मैं जब कंपेयर करता हूँ ना मैं मोस्टली सिलेबस देखता हूँ। सबसे जरूरी मेरे लिए वो है, सिलेबस है। और सिलेबस के बाद अगर मैं कुछ देखता हूँ तो प्लेसमेंट देखता हूँ। बट हाँ, मेरे लिए जो है वो जो कॉलेज के जो टीचर्स है, प्रोफेसर है, वो कैसे है, या फिर उनका जो सिलेबस है वो कैसा है, वो किस लेवल की टीचिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, तो वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा मैटर करता है।
आपका टीसीएस में अभी मतलब आप ऑनलाइन एमसीए कर रहे हो, और एज मतलब आपका रोल क्या रहेगा वहाँ पे? वेब डेवलपर?
रोल मैम मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर है।
मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर। ओह वाओ, ग्रेट। सो यू मस्ट हैव टेकन मशीन लर्निंग स्पेशलाइजेशन, नो?
Yes, I have done specialization in machine learning, and right now I am learning about software development and web development, because I know I have learned quite a lot about machine learning and all those stuff. So I'm just trying to learn more things as well.
Okay. So, what is the specialization name that you have chosen?
It's plain MCA, like general MCA, not any specialized MCA. It's general MCA.
Yeah, and maybe in the semesters you will get a special subject or something.
Yes, yeah, that is the reason I chose specialized, not chosen specialized MCA, because in that case you will just stuck on that one particular skill. You won't develop many other skills as well.
Okay, great talking to you, Sufyan. Please stay connected with us. And I hope you make sure and use everything that College Vidya is providing, be it jobs and internship. We also have jobs and internship on our portal.
Yeah.
We have community that you can get connected with. If you need any counselors help or any support team help, we're always there for you. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.